What are the safety precautions for TIG welding? When it comes to TIG welding, especially for motorcycle maintenance and repair, safety should always be your top priority. So, what are the essential safety precautions you need to take? Let's break it down step by step to ensure you can weld safely and effectively. First, protective clothing and gear are a must. Always wear long sleeves and pants made from natural fibers or leather. This will protect your skin from the ultraviolet radiation emitted by the welding arc, which can cause burns similar to severe sunburns. A welding hood with a shade rating of 11 or darker is essential to shield your eyes and face from intense light and UV exposure. Long gauntlet leather gloves designed for welding are also crucial to protect your hands from heat, sparks, and molten metal. Don't forget about your feet. Leather shoes or boots will protect them from falling hot particles and sparks. Make sure all skin is covered to prevent arc flash burns. Next, let's talk about electrical safety. Always treat the tungsten electrode as live because it carries high voltage during welding. Handle the electrode holder, not the electrode itself, to avoid electric shock. Wearing dry gloves and long sleeves helps insulate your body from the workpiece and welding machine, reducing the risk of completing an electrical circuit through your body. It is also important to maintain a dry working environment to minimize the risk of electrical shock. Fire prevention is another critical aspect. Clear your welding area of any flammable materials, such as solvents, rags, and paper. Using welding screens can help contain sparks and protect others nearby. After you finish welding, perform a fire watch by inspecting the area twice, once 30 minutes after welding and again 30 minutes later to ensure no smoldering fires have started. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and know how to use it. Ventilation and fume control are vital for your health. Always weld in a well-ventilated area or use fume extraction systems to avoid inhaling harmful gases and metal fumes. Remove any paint, powder coating, or other coatings from motorcycle parts before welding, as these can release toxic fumes when heated. Avoid welding galvanized metals, as they emit hazardous zinc oxide fumes. Your work environment and positioning matter too. Use a proper welding jig or fixture to hold motorcycle parts securely and maintain accurate alignment. Manage heat input carefully to avoid warping thin tubing or motorcycle frame components. Welding uphill can help control heat and improve penetration. Keep your workspace clean and free from clutter to prevent tripping hazards and accidental contact with hot or sharp objects. Finally, follow general safety practices. Never weld alone. Always have someone nearby in case of an emergency. Keep bystanders at a safe distance and ensure they wear appropriate protective gear if they must be close. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid welding near combustible gases or liquids. Regularly inspect your welding equipment for damage or wear to prevent malfunctions. In motorcycle TIG welding, these precautions are especially important because motorcycle frames often involve thin-walled tubing and complex shapes that requiring precise heat control and positioning. By following these safety measures, you can prevent injury, damage to motorcycle components, and accidents in the workshop.